All right, we are about to go into the holiday weekend. It is July 2nd, 2021. Tyler Hayes here, 2106. Coming to you from Ladysmith, downtown area, for a little action tonight. Right now, there is activity in Ladysmith Yard at this time. I think the Loram rail grinder is probably up and going at this moment, because I see a little haziness going on at Ladysmith Yard. Don't know what's going on. And southbounder is here. Let's check him out. Alright, M356 is here! 8906 for 5748. Double horn salute! End of train devices going. Not bad. Not bad at all. So I'll do it for the M356 with the 8906 to lead. And then 75I 5746 in the second slot. That's what I'm going to do it for that one. Alright, 2113. It appears that the Loram rail grinder of 116 is actually going to do work tonight. She is currently moving northbound out of Ladysmith Yard after being filled up from the water tankers. Water tanker trucks too, to fill up those big tanks. For any areas of smoldering on the main line, since the heat is really going to be on this coming Sunday, early next week of the first official week of July. So let's hang tight for the next several minutes and find out if the rail grinder 116 is going to come south or we'll head northward to Pekegama. And that will be determined in just a bit. Alright, 2120, the Loram rail grinder is now on the main, coming southbound, grinding away. Let's check him out as it makes its next move. Slowly through Ladysmith as we lean back and get him. Here we go. Rail grinder 116 from Loram. We're gonna have gate drop. Yep, she's grinding away. I can see the smoke from the grinders. Wide open. Remaining flashers are going. Loram rail grinder 116. Way to start off the holiday weekend. Nice. That was 316. That's Loram rail grinder 316. Again. What a sight indeed to see the Loram rail grinder 316 once more. And she is now going southbound. Heading for Point.